Hi, I'm Clicky, Gardner Koo's husband. I build a lot of things around here, so I'm going to pop on occasionally to talk about how we made some of them. If you saw the bean video, you saw the raised beds that I made. I'm sure I'll come on to talk about that at some point. Otherwise, I'll be safely behind the camera. Today, though, I'm going to unbuild something. In Gardner Koo's first video, he talked about how great garden igloos are for overwintering plants and keeping them from taking over the house. Thank you for that. Well, now it's time to take down the garden igloo for summer. It was nice to have during the winter, and Nacho and Freya probably aren't going to be happy with me, but it's starting to get too hot in there. So let's get started taking this down and packing it away to make it easy to put up again when winter rolls around. Okay, so I started a time lapse, but I missed the setting for how long it should keep shooting, so that's all we got. Oops. Anyway, the key to this is organization. There's a bunch of different sized tubes, so you'll want to keep those separate. You're going to have one bag with all the odd-sized ones and other bags with just one size tube. Make sure to put all the tubes into the bag label side up so you can find them easier later. The other thing I remembered is that I had to use some plumber's silicone when I put this together. That made assembly and disassembly much easier. To do that, I just dipped a Q-tip in the silicone and lubricated the insides of both ends as I was assembling. The places where I didn't do that were a real challenge to get apart. I'm kind of glad you didn't get to see that struggle. Anyway, hopefully you enjoyed learning a bit more about the Igloo. We've been having fun making this channel, so please do the like and subscribe things, and as Q says, go get your hands dirty.